My startup hasn't taken off yet. Am I entitled to alimony? Dustin McCrary, divorce attorney and founder of the law office of Dustin McCrary, discusses the legal interactions between alimony and starting a business. Hi, I'm Dustin McCrary. I'm glad you found my site, and it's my hope that the resources here are helpful to you as you contemplate the divorce process and all that might be involved. If you've reached this portion of the site, you may be a business owner. If so, you may understandably have many questions about the effect that divorce might have on your business, and on the other hand, what effect your business might have on your divorce. It's this second aspect that I'd like to talk with you about today. Often, websites talk about how to divide your business during a divorce and address matters like valuing your business, considering a buyout, selling it outright, or continuing to run the business with your soon-to-be ex-spouse. Fewer sites, however, talk about what impact the business might have on the other issues in your divorce, issues like child custody, alimony, and the division of other property. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about one of those issues, alimony, and how owning a business might affect your entitlement to it. As many people know, alimony is financial support that one spouse pays to the other following the divorce process, and it's typically paid by the higher-earning spouse to the lower-earning spouse. One question I'm commonly asked regarding alimony comes from those who are just starting up a business at the time of a divorce. The question is typically, if I've just started a business and it's going to take some time for my business to truly start providing a substantial income, could I be entitled to alimony during that period? It's a reasonable question, and without a doubt, starting up a business, even with a great idea, a good base of customers, and the necessary startup capital, can take months, sometimes even years to get to a point where you're receiving a steady income and the business itself can truly be considered an asset. To answer this question, it's important to recognize that alimony is typically awarded when financial dependence can be proven. Typically, this means demonstrating that your spouse is the higher earner while you are the lower earner. While it seems like making this determination could be straightforward, many questions can arise. Among them, did you and your spouse invest jointly in the startup of the business with marital funds and mutual effort? If so, and you're going to be the only one owning and profiting from the business, your spouse may argue that he or she shouldn't have to pay alimony, as you're receiving an asset in the form of a business that could become quite profitable in the future. It can be quite a tricky question. It can be such a difficult question and issue to resolve that often this is one of those issues that may simply have to be decided by a court. When the court looks at the situation and makes a determination, it's going to look at a number of factors, including the current earnings and earning potential of both spouses, the current and potential value of the business at issue, other assets or debts that each spouse will be receiving in the divorce, and a number of other factors depending upon your circumstances. Alimony might or might not be awarded, but regardless, this is one of those issues for which you'll certainly need the assistance of knowledgeable and experienced legal counsel who can help you to understand the legal implications and complexities of the various issues that you may encounter. If you're facing this divorce issue or any other, I'm here to help. Thank you for joining me today.